Hello guys and welcome to EasyManage-EDU, the best school management application in Cameroon. Today we will be seeing how to register students in the system, and without wasting your time, let's just sign in. When you open the software, you have to sign in with your password. Yes. So it will take you to this dashboard, and please, if you cannot see the options up here, it means that your screen is short. So you always use this sidebar here to navigate if your screen is short, so you can see the options that are up here. So we are working on this registration. If you click on registration, at the top here you will see students, subjects, employees, classes, and so on. So we are focused on these students. Please, before you want to create a student, you have to make sure that you have created a class for that child, the class for this student. Then you can now register the student, because you need to select the class here. Okay, so there are some things that are net compulsory to fill, like the full name. You see it has a double star. The things that have double star, you must put this 1, 2, 3. You must put them. And then this one with single star, you can put, is good to put, because you will need it maybe on the report card or on the mark sheet or anything. And then the ones that do not have any star, it's not really compulsory to set them. Okay, so let's start with my name. Let's register myself. Check Emmanuel Tabukum. Tabukum means the father of chiefs. So we will set the gender. I'm a male. Then the address, I live in Tarinkon. Tarinkon is in Bamenda. If you don't know, it's a very beautiful place. Apart, without this crisis, Tarinkon would have been like small Lagos. So we have the date of birth here. You can just pick. You can use this small calendar icon here. You pick a date of birth, and look at the format. It gives day, month, year. So you can just type this thing yourself. If I just put 22nd/06/2022. Look at something. If I want to leave, they'll tell me that the value you entered isn't correct. It means that this date is not correct. What is wrong with this date? Look, I've written 2022, which is not correct. It has to be 2022. So if I leave now, it will format the date for me. You put 22nd June 2022. So if I take now the academic year 2023-2024, the class, I pick the class of the child. If I'm in, let's say I'm in Form 4 Science, they will just populate the option for me. If I have a parent's name to put, I know my mother's name, I put. If not, no problem. I know my mother's telephone number, I'll put my telephone number there, 676-424-125. If I cannot call my mother, if you want to call, you call me. Okay, so I have this information here. You can put place of birth if you want. Not necessary, mancon, and even division and so on. So for this one, this fee details, you see some fields here are automatically checked, like tuition, PTA, ID card, examination is automatically checked. But if you don't want a child to pay these things, you just uncheck it, because whatever is checked here is the thing that this student will pay. So if there's tuition for 75,000 in this class, this student will pay 75,000. This student will be owing 75,000 until the child starts paying fee. Then the debt will be reducing. If you check anything here, that child will pay it. Okay, so let's say you want to give a child scholarship, you just uncheck all these things, means that the child will not pay anything. It's that simple. the child can pay examination fee or ID card, but the child will not pay tuition. The child that is on scholarship does not pay tuition. You want to give a child discount, we'll also see how to give a child discount. It's not here, but the child, you first of all put the child on the total tuition, and then you go and remove some discount from the tuition that the child has to pay. So that is that for the filling of this student. So when you are done, you save. This is a save button. This Changut. In primary school, you should call it Changut. Then there is Changbat, the X. So I will save. They ask me, do you want to save? I say yes, I want to save. So this is Emmanuel Tabokum. I can search if I want a particular student, maybe Fru. Do I have Fru in my system? Yes. They'll give me all the Frus. Then I can pick now the particular Fru that I want. I can also search by class, lower 6 arts. They'll give me all the students in lower 6 arts. These are students in lower, there are 29 of them. I can search from one general. They give me all the students in from one general. There are 149 because it's from one general A. If I put from one general A, it becomes 80. There are 180 students now in from one general A. I can also pick here, just pick a class here, BC2. No, if I pick from 2 general A, there are 129 in from 2 general A. So that is how this search function works. You can edit a child, like I was searching. If I search Emmanuel, I want to edit something about Emmanuel. This is me here. I double click, it will come, this information will come back up here. I can edit it and then I save. If I want to put medical status, I put active because I'm very active. So when I'm done, I save. To edit, you can also just select something. If I just select this name and I click on edit, it will still do the same thing, and I do changes and then I save. Yeah. So that is how you can register a student in the system. There is also an option here for, let me just edit a child here. There's an option to add a photo, passport size photo of the child. So if I click here, you just have to click, you see, and you add. If you double click, you can, it takes you to this place, but if you just click, you can take this attach file, it will still come here. So I double click, I add a photo. I can pick a photo now from my system. I can pick a photo from my system and I add. You can add multiple pictures. When you are done, you close. So that child now has a photo against the child. So that is how the system works. In the next series, we'll be seeing how to maybe create classes, employees, and so on. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in the next series, and gradually we'll be seeing how to do all of these things using the software. Like I said, you can help us if you really enjoy the way the software works. You can help us tell somebody, or you can help us buy the software so that we can maybe buy some food, buy ourselves some clothes. It's not easy in Bamenda, so we need to make ends meet. So if you are not maybe willing to buy, you can tell somebody, or you can, be a distributor of the software. Yes, you can be a distributor of the software, and at a good commission. If you help us convince somebody to buy, then you get your commission. So you can also work with us in that direction. So my number will be on the description of this video, and my email. You can get to us on WhatsApp, even on direct calls. Like I said, we are in Cameroon, and thank you very much for your time.